Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated process of viewing received invitations on LinkedIn using your PC. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking, and staying on top of your connection requests is essential. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to LinkedIn's website. Once the page is loaded, ensure that you are logged into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage, where you can begin navigating to your received invitations. At the top of the homepage, you'll spot the main menu. From this menu, you're going to click on the My Network icon. This icon usually displays a symbol representing connections, and clicking it will take you to the network management area. The My Network section is your central hub for managing connections, invitations, and other networking activities on LinkedIn. Once you're on the My Network page, look for the Grow section. Here, you should see an overview of your invitations. To view all your invitations, you'll want to find and click the Manage option, which is typically located right next to the Invitations heading. Clicking Manage will bring you to a dedicated page for handling all your pending invites. On the Invitations page, you'll see two tabs, Received and Sent. By default, LinkedIn might show you the Received section, but if not, simply click on the Received tab to view the connection requests that others have sent to you. Here, you'll find a list of people who want to connect with you on LinkedIn. From this page, you can review each invitation, check out the sender's profile by hovering your mouse over their name, see mutual connections, and decide whether to accept or ignore the request. To accept, just click the Accept button. If you want to respond without accepting right away, click the drop-down arrow next to the Accept button and select Reply. If you're not interested in connecting, you can simply click the Ignore button. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the new update to see your received invitations on LinkedIn using your PC. Regularly managing your invitations ensures you're building a relevant and engaged network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks.